Imagine firing up a barbecue indoors. Sounds crazy, right? But today, we're putting a brand new Arspura exhaust system to the ultimate test. The box itself feels premium, and once unboxed, the design is sleek and minimalistic. Touch controls, a digital PM 2.5 display, gesture operation, it already feels like the future of kitchen air. First challenge, smoke. Lots of it. We lit a barbecue grill right here in the room. Within seconds, smoke started filling every corner. Now watch this. Arspura activates and the transformation is instant. The dense haze pulls away, the air clears, and the smell? Almost gone. Next up, raw power. Just how strong is this thing? We pushed it with smoke grenades and even started pulling them farther and farther away. Yet, the Arspura kept drawing it in, holding suction even at distance. On max power, it feels like this unit could vacuum half the room if we let it. Fun experiments aside, there's a serious side to this. Cooking smoke produces PM 2.5 particles, microscopic but dangerous. They can linger in your lungs and are linked to long-term health issues, including lung cancer. Arspura tackles that head-on. Real-time sensors display particle levels, and you can literally see the numbers drop as it cleans. This isn't just convenience, it's protection for your health and your family. Gesture controls mean no touching greasy buttons. The digital panel keeps you updated in real time. The airflow system prevents smoke leakage, creating a sealed loop for maximum efficiency. Sleek design, smart functionality, and industrial-level performance, all in one unit. So here's the verdict. Arspura isn't just another exhaust fan. It's a powerhouse that clears smoke fast, keeps the air healthy, and makes your kitchen feel like a pro lab. For me, it's the difference between just cooking and cooking smarter, safer, cleaner.